We have with us Shivangi Shada, analyst, equity derivative and technical broking and distribution from Motilal Oswal Financial Services to talk technicals. Shivangi, good afternoon. Thank you for joining with us. To start with, what are the stocks on your radar? Because as we see, there's a lot happening on the stock specific front and automobile space again topping the charts.
Very good afternoon, Mansi and Sneh. Thank you for having me. So we've seen that the markets have actually kind of reacted well after the breakout we saw in the previous session, and it's held on to the higher zones despite some range-bound move. But the good part is 24,850 is acting as a major support level for the index for an up move towards 25,200 mark. So we are going for buy on decline strategy on Nifty indexes itself. Now, talking about the bank Nifty, we've seen some underperformance here, especially the bigger names have not contributed much. There was slight bit weakness as though market breadth had actually kind of dampened during the opening hour of the session. But overall, it did recover and managed to hold above 55,850. So now we're looking at actually 56,000 was like a tad bit lower with today's high. So we failed to surpass those levels. But if we surpass 56,000 and hold above the same, then we could see a rally towards, 56,750 and then 57,000 levels. But right now, on an immediate basis, we are expecting some range bound move with a support of 55,600 levels. So this would be the take on both the indices, but we're recommending buy on decline with more conviction in Nifty. Now, stock specific idea, of course, two-wheeler space stocks are doing quite well. And on my radar is TVS Motors. We've seen that this stock has seen a good price volume surge and excellent follow-up buying as well. After the gap, it's holding, the gap levels. From the last 2 days, we've seen that the buying can be seen at any small decline, which is very positive. So recommending a buy on Tata Motors with the next target of 3380 levels and a stop loss of 3190 zones. And the second pick on my radar would be Paytm. We've seen that new age companies have been doing quite well. And of course, ahead of the festivities, consumption space stocks and related counters have gained attraction. Now, on the monthly basis, this stock has been consistently making higher bottom from the last 6 months. So clearly, strength can be seen persistently over here. Now, the stock had surpassed its previous hurdle of 1190 levels and is holding quite comfortably above the same. Now, of course, the stock is touching the recent highs, but overall momentum is likely to continue even after these levels. And we're recommending a buy here with a target of 1250 levels on the immediate basis, and support could be seen at 1200 levels.
So Tata Motors and Paytm, two stocks on Shivangi's radar. But on that no, on Shivangi's radar, pardon me. On that note, we'll slip into a very short break and keep tracking the markets for the last half an hour of trade on the other side.